Imagine a world where everything you know has been turned upside down, a world where freedom is a dream and survival a daily challenge. Welcome to the realm of dystopian literature, where perfect worlds are far from reality and every page turns a mirror to our deepest fears and hopes. Dystopian literature presents an imagined world where things have gone wrong. It's the opposite of a utopia, a perfect society. In dystopian stories, societies face problems like oppressive governments, environmental disasters, or extreme poverty. These stories often start with a character who lives in this troubled world. They might not question it at first, but they start to see the cracks as the story unfolds. A common theme in dystopian literature is resistance. The main character, or a group of characters, often fights against the unjust system. It's about challenging the status quo and seeking change. Dystopian stories also make us think. They explore what could happen if certain trends in our society continue unchecked. They're like warnings, showing us the dark paths we could go down. From 1984 to The Hunger Games, dystopian literature captivates us with its dark worlds and brave characters. It's not just about despair. It's about hope and the power of the human spirit to overcome challenges.